I've just escaped from the office and I've had a whiz around the nursery, and what really struck me was how much colour there still is. We're at the very tail end of summer here, going into autumn, and there's loads of things still in flower. Things like the agastaches, the salvias, the echinaceas, the achilleas. They've been flowering for weeks already and they're showing no sign at all of slowing down. These little nepetas, they had their first flush of flowers earlier in the year, and then we cut them back really hard, and look at them now, they're just in full bloom still. Other things like the Japanese anemones, the asters, sedums, and even crocosmias. These are only just starting to open their buds, so they're going to carry on all the way practically till the end of autumn. So if you're in any doubt, if your garden's looking a little bit lackluster and you want an injection of colour, here they are.